Guys, I want to tell you how to fix a bent edge of a rug. I know the main fix is you take like a heavy book and you place it there for like a day or two. I've done that for about 2 weeks and it's still bent. So what I wanted to do when I looked this up is you take a wet towel, wring out all the excess water. This is what it looks like. This is a better view of it. It's not terrible, but it's still pretty annoying where we can kind of trip over it. So I've got this wet towel. This is a pretty thin towel, which actually helps with this. And you're going to put it over, and you're going to take a steamer or an iron. I have a steamer here. It doesn't have a large surface area, but what you're going to do is place this right in the middle of the towel. I've got some steam coming out, and you're basically going to steam this like you're ironing some clothes. Now, what you're going to do is I'm going to kind of press down in this motion, and I'm going to do this quite a bit because this is a thick rug. So you're going to want to start maybe from 8 inches down all the way to the corner of the rug here. And I'm going in this motion. I'm kind of slowing down at the very end just to make sure those fibers are getting that steam pushed down in there and are getting the heat there. One thing you're going to want to watch out for is you're not going to want the towel to get bunched up under the rug when you're doing this. That's going to kind of defeat the purpose. So you can kind of see I'm pulling the rug taut while I'm doing this. And I'm kind of coming at different angles. I'm coming from like 6 or 8 inches out and going towards the edge, and I'm going towards the side here, and I'm going to kind of keep going like this, and you're going to see I'm going to kind of come from all different angles and just pressing down into that corner. That's what's going to make this flat, and I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards, and I'm going to give you some more tips after as well. So I'm kind of continuing to come down. I'm going to stretch out the towel, and this is what it looks like after. I think it looks pretty good. It did stay like this for 24 hours afterwards. It didn't bend back up. It did, I guess, relax and straighten out those rug fibers. And you can do this again. Like if it does it, comes back up a little bit, you can wait a little bit until it dries and then put the towel back on and, re-steam and iron it out, I guess, is what we're really doing. But I did think this really helped. And what I did is, again, about 8 inches, I kind of was just bringing the iron or the steamer towards this corner. And you want to make sure the towel is not under it and make sure it's flat, of course. I really hope this video helped, guys, and this did work for me. 24 hours later, this is still flat. So I hope this helped, guys.